Hi there, this is Brian from brianalcott.com. Welcome to my review of Next Generation Affiliate version 3. This launches today, which is October the 27th at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. I'm inside the members area here and I'm going to give you a run through and show you exactly what's inside here in a few minutes. But just to summarize, so what is Next Generation Affiliate version 3 all about? Well, this is a fully complete affiliate system based on what other successful affiliate marketers are doing currently. It provides the basis to build a long-term automated business. The system is based around using a YouTube channel, a Facebook page for traffic, and going to a niche blog for email capture and affiliate sales. So it really is a complete business, and if you're new to affiliate marketing, it's the perfect place for you to start. And it will show you how to do this the right way. And you're also going to use an Aweber free account for autoresponder and email follow-ups. You are going to get a full explanation, training, detailed build guides for Facebook page, YouTube channel and landing pages. You're also going to get a niche blog template and installation guide with lots of detail on the right types of ideas for finding and creating quality content. So if this is something that's going to interest you, if you stick with me to the end of this video, I've put together some custom bonuses and you can get access to those by clicking on the first link in the description below this video. This will bring you to my bonus page here. You just scroll down and click on any of the big purple buttons on this page and you're going to go to the sales page where you can pick up your purchase of Next Generation Affiliate immediately, and then you're going to get access to all my bonuses. I'm going to show you what they are now. They're quality bonuses and they're really going to help you with your purchase of Next Generation Affiliate today. The only thing you need to do is make sure you're back to my bonus page by the time this countdown timer here reaches 0, because when that happens my bonuses are going to expire, and obviously they're quality bonuses are going to help you with your purchase and I won't want you to miss out on those. So make sure you just get back here as soon as you can. So I'll show you what the bonuses are now. Bonus number 1, you're going to get a product by John O. Armstrong. I'm going to give you this product free of charge. It's called Goodwill. It was only released earlier this year. And it's going to show you how to grow your email list for free by giving away products that are going to help you get people onto your list, and you're also going to make sales when people buy the upsells within this product. So it's a really good strategy and an excellent product, and it's one that John O released with Brendan Mace earlier this year. So you're going to get that completely free of charge. Bonus number 2, you're going to get the email marketing course that John O's put together. Obviously it's been a big part of his business being so successful, email marketing, and you're going to get access to that. And obviously email marketing is going to be part of the structure of the Next Generation Affiliate version 3. So it's going to really help you there. Bonus number 3, 2,000 copy and paste emails that John O's used over the years to make him so successful. Obviously don't recommend that you copy these word for word and paste them and use them just as John O's done. You just need to use them for inspiration. You can also just tweak them to your own style, but they're going to help you with your marketing. Bonus number 4 then is the 7-minute sales page machine. And this is a product all about CPA marketing, which is going to sit nicely with your new business, with the Next Generation Affiliate business that you're going to create. This is going to help you make sales. I say one of John O's best-selling products for earlier this year, so it's very, very relevant today. So it's a quality bonus again. Bonus number 5, you're going to get all the vendor bonuses. You're not going to miss out on any of those by purchasing through my link today, which is the first link below this YouTube video. So once you do that, click on any of the big purple buttons, you'll be taken to the sales page, and then just go to your receipt page in Warrior Plus, click on the blue button here, and that will instantly deliver all my bonuses to you completely free of charge, which are excellent value. You're going to get those just by buying the front end of Next Generation Affiliate version 3 for just $12 today. So All these bonuses I've given to you, I've just shown you there, they're worth much more than the $12 you're going to have to spend to get access to them. And you're also going to get this excellent course from Matt Garrett and Tony Marriott. So I'll just have a quick look at the sales page. So here is the sales page. This is Tony Marriott here, who's an internet marketer who's built his business the right way along with Matt Garrett, and they're going to show you how to do it. They've had to change direction as marketing changes. They're going to stop you buying all these shiny objects that you're not going to help you. People just give you so much information and leave out the real meat and potatoes of how to make a success of your business. Well, this is going to show you all that, and these are all the bonuses you're going to get within the product from the vendor as well. So all this just for $12. So it's a real no-brainer for the value you're going to get. So come back and have a look at the sales page in your own time. I don't want to spend too long on this, but then you can also have a look at what other affiliates are going to be offering you, because then you can make your way back to my bonus page and say, just make sure you do that before this countdown timer reaches 0. So let's have a look inside the product itself to show what's inside here. Now this is all training content, quality content put together by PDFs, so you're going to be able to just access it from inside the members area here. You get an introduction, so say it's Matt Garrett and Tony Marriott. The introduction's all on PDF, so everything's in PDF form. So if you know it's valuable content, so you can just go through this at your leisure, take everything in. You can either access it from the members area, or you can download it to your own computer. They're all very informative modules. So you've got the introduction, and then affiliate marketing philosophy, types of affiliate marketing, choosing a niche, choosing a network, your lead system, understanding funnels, content that drives traffic, build your affiliate system, create compelling content, never-ending content, and all about email marketing, compliance, driving free traffic, and free tools and resources. So say they're all in PDF form, so they're here for, you can just read them at your leisure and take in the content. Obviously lots of people like to have the written content as opposed to video over the shoulder training. Some people prefer it written in front of them, so this is really going to suit you if you're that type of person. So I'll just show you there are upsells which you can buy, but you're going to get everything that I've just shown you there with my bonuses for just $12 the front end, which is on a dime sale, and is going to go up slowly to $17. So the sooner you come and purchase this after the 27th of October at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time, the better. Then you'll get it as near to $12 as you possibly can. So with the front end, as I say, you're going to get all my bonuses and what I've just shown you, access to all that content within the members area just for $12. Upsell number 1, Easy Pro funnels. So there are going to be additional funnels that you can use, and that's going to cost you $27. Piggyback Payday Gold Digger is upsell number 2. And those are more funnels, so say you don't need to buy any of these to get all the content I've shown you, but you might find them useful. Once you get inside the members area, you can have a look at these. Upsell number 3, Easy Pro Funnels monthly packs, $27. Upsell 4, Easy Pro webinars and reviews, $47. And upsell number 5, 80x Easy Pro webinars and review packs for $97. So there are the upsells. You can purchase those if you'd like to have a look at those once you get inside the product, but don't forget you're going to get everything I've just shown you today, my quality bonuses for just $12, and all that content to show you how to build an internet affiliate marketing business the correct way. So that concludes my review of Next Generation Affiliate version 3. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.